Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the giant lock symbol next to your game. So if you can't play it, there's a couple of different things that you can do. Press options on the game and go down to where it says restore licenses right here. This is the first thing that you should try. If you become unable to use content you download from the PlayStation Store, there might be a problem with the licenses for the content. Try restoring below. And this usually is what fixes it for me. There's just some sort of account issue where this isn't synced for some reason. Just go in and restore it, and it doesn't take long if you do it by individual game. Now, when this completes, there's a way that we can just do this with all the games that we have on our PlayStation, so you don't have to do it one by one. Go to settings, and then going down to users and accounts. Go to other, go to the right, and go to restore licenses right here, and then you can check mark all your games, and then do it all at the same time. Now, another reason why this could be happening is because you don't have your PlayStation 5 account set as home. So just go here and set it as primary, and then you should be able to play your games offline. And then this will share PlayStation Plus and your games to every other account. So if you are on a different account, this is the reason why you have a giant lock symbol next to your game, because you're not on your main account and you don't have it set as home. And another reason why this could be happening is because you don't have internet. So if you didn't check mark and make that as home, go to network and you're trying to play your game offline, it will not allow you to play your game offline unless you have it set as home. So very important. Then also you can just double check to see which account you're on. So if you don't have your PS5 set as home and you're trying to play your games on a different account, well, it's not going to let you. So you have to switch back over to your main account, set as home, and then you should be good to go. Now, another thing that could be happening, maybe there is some sort of account issue, and just simply signing out and signing back in will update the credentials and update the information with PlayStation Network. So just sign out, sign back in, and then you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.